Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start here, turn the Brezza to ACC or on so the infotainment boots fast. Once done, plug your phone into the USB port or pair by Bluetooth and allow CarPlay or Android Auto permissions. This gives the car a reliable map source. Make sure locations/GPS and mobile data are enabled on the phone so the map can load traffic and route options. Now open the native navigation or your map app and type the first destination address to begin routing. Once your destination appears, review route choices and pick fastest, shortest, or toggle avoid tolls depending on cost versus time. You can add waypoints or stops for fuel or food and drag the route on the touchscreen to force a specific road when needed. Make sure voice guidance is unmuted and set the volume so you hear prompts over traffic noise. Also set map orientation to heading for easier turns or north for broader context. These choices control how the car guides you and why you're now driving. Follow turn-by-turn prompts and use lane guidance when it appears to make lane changes simple. If you need to adjust mid-route, pause or cancel navigation from the menu, or save the current destination as a favorite for next time. If navigation loses signal or mispositions you, first make sure location is set to high accuracy. Then restart your phone and the infotainment system and confirm the USB connection. This resets the GPS fix and usually restores correct positioning. These quick steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.